Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the ASUS Zenfone 3 Max. So this has the Zen UI, that's the latest version of the Zen UI, and this is on top of Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So we'll talk about some simple and useful tips and tricks and also features of this UI. So if you just pull down, you can see this notification center, and in the notification center we have this option to edit the toggle. So if you just click here, you have this option to change the toggles. You can rearrange them, you can make changes to the order in which you want to appear in the notification center. So we can just drag and rearrange the options and click save, and that option will be saved in the quick settings. So that's one option to edit the quick toggles in the notification center. Now if you just swipe from here, we can see the apps and widgets, so that's self-explanatory. You can edit the home screens, wallpapers are again self-explanatory. You can install icon packs. So if there are multiple icon packs, you can change them. So you can install a lot of icon packs from the Play Store, and once you have installed, this will show up here. You can also see there is an option to get icon packs, so this will lead you to the Play Store where you can buy icon packs or download additional free icon packs and then get hold of new icons. So there is also Zen UI themes. So here you can see there are lots of Zen UI themes which are available, and you can change the themes based on whichever you like. So there are lots of themes to choose from, so that's another customization option. Then you can lock apps, so you can set a pattern or use a pin and then lock apps. So once you lock the apps, these apps will require pin or password each time when you open them. So that's an added security feature available in the Zen UI. Then if you go to the preferences, you can see a lot of options are included. Folder icon size is there, so you can see the folder theme, grid size, then animation, default font size. So a lot of things can be changed here. So that's a Zen UI settings and options available here. And then you also have the system settings, so that's what we are taken now. So in the system settings, if you go to the display, you can see there's a blue light filter option, so that once you turn on, this will be useful for reading. So if you're reading, this option will be quite useful, and this will not provide too much strain on your eyes. So that's another useful option available in the display settings. Then if you go to the Zen motion, you can see there are touch gestures and motion gestures included. So if you turn on this, you can go here and you can see a lot of touch gestures are there. W to launch an app, S to launch an app, E to launch an app. So a lot of things are included. So you can just turn on this and select the app which you want to open when you select this gesture. So that's touch gestures. Then there is motion gestures also included. Flip to turn the device over. Then we have double shake, hands up. So a lot of motion gestures are also included. There's also one-handed UI, so you can turn the screen to smaller size if you feel the 5.5 inch size is bigger for you. And in the power management, you can see there are different power saver modes. You can see performance mode is there, normal mode is there, power saving mode, super power saving mode, and then you can also do a customized mode. So based on whatever battery performance you want, you can do a customized settings. And there is also option to switch the battery level to a particular mode when it goes down below 10%. And there's also option to switch to different modes by schedule. That's particular time you can select, and when the time arrives, it will automatically switch to that mode. Then there is an EC mode available. So once you turn on this mode, you will get a bigger icons. So this is quite useful for elderly people to use the device with larger icons. Then there is also kids mode. You can turn on kids mode, and you can select which all apps you want to have on the kids mode. Along with that, you can set a pin, and you can also pick up apps and set the playtime. So once the playtime ends, this device will get unlocked or locked, and kids won't be able to use. So these are some of the useful options in the kids mode. That's basically parental control in this device. So these are some of the useful options available in the Zen UI. And if you go to the all apps list, we also have these options here. So you can see you can view this by download, customized, or frequent apps. And here you also have this smart grouping option. That means it will group apps into particular category. say for example all social networking apps will be grouped into one folder. Then you have this lock apps, hide apps, so that we have already talked about locking apps. Then there is also option to hide apps. So if you just select this, you can just select which all apps you want to hide and click done. All those apps will be removed, and if you go here and unhide those apps, you can get back those apps. So that's another useful option to hide and lock apps. So these are some of the useful tips, tricks and features of the Zen UI. So there are lots of smaller options available. We are not going into detail. You can try out these options if you have the Zenfone now with the Zen UI. That's the latest version. So that's all guys with the tips and tricks on the ASUS Zenfone 3 Max. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.